Hello, my friends. Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to continue our study of understanding verb tenses. Today, we're going to focus on present progressive, past progressive, and future progressive. Are you ready to learn with Margaret today? Let's get started. Welcome back. This is Margaret's English Camp, striving to change lives around the globe, helping ESL and ELA students learn, improve, and become fluent in English. Next slide. Our lesson today is Understanding Verb Tenses, Part 2. The verb tense tells when the action happened. When the verb tense changes, the verb often changes its spelling. Not always, but often. Next slide. Our learning objective is to identify and use the following verb tenses in sentences to help you understand when the action occurred. We are going to be focusing on present progressive, past progressive, future progressive. Note, these tenses show action and progress and is used with to be verbs, which are is, am, are, was, were, be, been, and be in. Next slide. Present progressive. It shows an action is in progress now. Add the present form of to be before the ing verb. Past progressive. It shows an action that was in progress in the past. Add the past form of to be before the ing form of the verb. Future progressive. It shows an action that will be in progress. All these tenses have in common ing added to the verb. Next slide. Our first verb is cook. Present progressive. My mom is cooking oatmeal for breakfast today. Past progressive. My friend was cooking pizza at my house yesterday. Future progressive. My mom will be cooking lots of food for Christmas. Next slide. Reviewing all 6 tenses for the verb cook. The present tense, my mom cooks oatmeal for breakfast today. Present progressive, my mom is cooking oatmeal for breakfast today. Past, yesterday, my friend cooked pizza at my house. Past progressive, yesterday, my friend was cooking pizza at my house. Future tense, my mom will cook lots of food for Christmas. Future progressive, my mom will be cooking lots of food for Christmas. Next slide. Our next verb is dance. Present progressive, my best friend is dancing to her favorite song. Past progressive, yesterday she was dancing in the competition. Future progressive, we will be dancing at my birthday party. Next slide. Reviewing all 6 tenses for the verb dance. Present, my best friend dances to her favorite song every day in her room. Present progressive, my best friend is dancing to her favorite song. Past. Last week, she danced the longest in the competition. Past progressive. Yesterday, she was dancing in the competition. Future tense. We all will dance at my birthday party. Future progressive. We all will be dancing at my birthday party. Next slide. Our next verb is play. Present progressive. My best friend is playing with me. Past progressive. Yesterday, I was playing a game before school. Future progressive. I will be playing basketball with my friend on Saturday. Next slide. Reviewing all 6 tenses for the verb play. Present tense. My sister plays in my room with me after school every night. Present progressive. My sister is playing with me. Past tense. Yesterday, I played a game before going to school. Past progressive. Yesterday, I was playing a game before school. Future tense. I will play basketball with my best friend on Saturday. Future progressive. I will be playing basketball with my friend on Saturday. Next slide. Our next verb is run. Present progressive. She is running 3 miles today. Past progressive. Last month, she was running in a marathon race. Future progressive. She will be running at the park tomorrow. Next slide. Reviewing all 6 tenses for the verb run. Present tense. She runs 3 miles every day. Present progressive. She is running 3 miles today. Past tense. Last month, she ran a marathon race. Past progressive. Last month, she was running in a marathon race. Future tense. She will run at the park tomorrow. Future progressive. She will be running at the park tomorrow. Next slide. Our last verb of today is swim. Present progressive. The fish is swimming very fast. Past progressive. This morning, I was swimming for 2 hours in the pool. Future progressive. Next year, I will be swimming in the state championship for the second time. Next slide. Reviewing all 6 tenses for the verb swim. Present tense. The fish swims very fast. Present progressive. The fish is swimming very fast. Past tense. This morning, I swam for 2 hours in the pool. Past progressive. This morning, I was swimming for 2 hours in the pool. Future tense. I will swim in the state championship next week. And finally, future progressive. Next year, I will be swimming in the state championship for the second time. Next slide. Now we have our tenses in a chart to make it more easy to remember. Our verbs are cook, dance, play, ran, and swim. Run and swim. Present for cook, cooks. Present progressive is cooking. Past, cooked. Past progressive was cooking. Future, will cook. Future progressive will be cooking. Dance, dances is present. Present progressive is dancing. Past, danced. Past progressive was dancing. Future, will dance. Future progressive will be dancing. Play, present, plays. Present progressive is playing. Past, played. Past progressive was playing. Future, will play. Future progressive will be playing. Run, present, runs. Present progressive is running. Past, ran. Past progressive was running. Future, will run. Future progressive will be running. And finally, swim. Present, swims. Present progressive is swimming. Past, swim. Past progressive was swimming. Future, will swim. Future progressive will be swimming. Next slide. This concludes our lesson for this week. Thank you so much for joining me. Next slide. Now, do you have any questions for me? Please leave your questions and any lesson you would like to see down in the description box, and I will respond ASAP. Next slide. About the teacher, my name is Margaret B. Levick. I have a master's degree in educational leadership. I have a bachelor's degree in business, and I have an associate's in computer science. You can contact me via my email at margaretsenglishcamp@gmail.com, or you can contact me on Skype should you want a one-on-one lesson with me at live colon mlovick2664 _ I have 120 hours TOEFL certification hours and 6 years, almost 7, teaching experience. Next slide. I have weekly video uploads once or twice a week. Yay! Next slide. My lessons include the following: conversational practice for beginners to advanced, reading practice, phonics practice, pronunciation practice, grammar, vocabulary, business English, and IELTS exam preparation. Next slide. Please follow me on my social media on Facebook at margaret.lovick, on Instagram at ESLteacher64, and on Twitter at mlovick2664. Next slide. If you liked this video and it was value to you, please give me a thumbs up. This will help my channel to grow and be able to get my lessons out to other people who want to improve their English language skills. Also, leave me a comment, as I said before, down below in the description box or comment box, and let me know your thoughts and opinions. Please consider subscribing to my channel and become part of my family. It would greatly be appreciated. And don't forget to click that notification bell to let you know when I upload a new video. Next slide. This concludes my lesson for this week. Understanding verb tenses, part 2. Present progressive, past progressive, and future progressive. It is time to say goodbye. I will see you in the next video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.